Welcome, world wanderers, to another exciting journey with Top Places, your virtual passport to the world's most enchanting destinations. Here on Top Places, we invite you to discover, explore, and immerse yourself in the diverse cultures and breathtaking landscapes that our beautiful planet has to offer. Today, we turn our compass towards the historic province of Sindh, Pakistan, a place where ancient civilizations whisper tales of the past, where vibrant bazaars hum with life, and where nature unveils its untamed beauty. First, let the aroma of Sindhi cuisine guide you, a fusion of flavors that tell a story of the rich cultural heritage of the region. A taste of Sindhi biryani with its fragrant rice, succulent meat, and aromatic spices is a gastronomic journey you wouldn't want to miss. Next, marvel at the timeless architectural wonders scattered across Sindh. The Ranakot Fort, often referred to as the Great Wall of Sindh, stands as a testament to the region's historical significance. The intricate details of the Shah Jahan Mosque and the majestic grandeur of the Mohata Palace are sights that will leave you in awe. Take a leisurely stroll through the bustling markets of Sindh. The Hala's famous pottery market, with its beautifully crafted ceramics, or the lively Haidari market in Karachi, where you can find everything from traditional Sindhi adrak to contemporary fashion, offer a unique shopping experience. Venture further to witness the untouched beauty of Sindh's nature. The tranquil Keenjar Lake, the mesmerizing Kirthar National Park, and the stunning coastline of Clifton Beach are just a few examples of the natural splendor that awaits you. And let's not forget the people. Sindhi people, with their warmth and hospitality, are the soul of this region. Their colorful traditional attire, their folk music and dance, and their age-old customs and traditions add a unique charm to the Sindh experience. So come explore Sindh, a place where history, culture, and nature intertwine to create a captivating tapestry of experiences. Remember, there's always more to discover with Top Places. So subscribe now and embark on your next adventure with us. Explore the world, one top place at a time.